Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cupcakes using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and half a cup of unsalted butter. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for a smooth batter. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius to be ready for baking. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your half cup of softened butter and 1 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, beat in your 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients alternately with half a cup of milk, mixing until just combined. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare for baking. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Using a scoop or spoon, fill each liner about 2/3 full with your cupcake batter. This ensures they bake evenly and don't overflow. Place the tin into your preheated oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial. Let your freshly baked cupcakes cool completely on a wire rack before you even think about frosting them. While they cool, you can whip up a simple buttercream frosting using half a cup of softened butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Once cooled, pipe or spread your delicious frosting onto each cupcake and add some colorful sprinkles for a festive touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.